HDMI showing no signal, a black screen, or not detecting any device on a TCL Roku TV is a common issue and can completely block your screen. In this video, I will show you clear and easy steps to fix HDMI not working on a TCL Roku TV so your connected device displays properly again. Let's start by checking the basic HDMI settings on your TCL Roku TV. First, make sure the TV is set to the correct HDMI input where your device is connected. If the device is plugged into HDMI 1, the TV must also be on HDMI 1. Also check that the external device is powered on and not turned off. After that, unplug the HDMI cable from both the TV and the device, then plug it back in firmly on both sides to make sure the connection is secure. Now let's move on to a normal power cycle, which fixes HDMI issues in many cases. Turn off the TV and the HDMI device completely. Unplug both of them from the wall outlet and wait for about 30 seconds. Once the time is up, plug them back into the wall and turn both devices on. Then check if the HDMI signal is back. If the HDMI is still not working, we'll try a deep power cycle to fully reset the TV. First, disconnect all HDMI cables from the TV. Then, unplug the TV from the power outlet. Find the physical power button on the TV and press and hold it for 20 to 30 seconds. After that, plug the TV back into power, reconnect all HDMI cables, and turn everything on again. Next, we'll check the HDMI cable and ports to rule out hardware issues. Try using a different HDMI cable to see if the current one is faulty. Then connect your device to another HDMI port on the TV and switch the TV input to match that port. While testing, make sure your device is connected directly to the TV and not through any HDMI splitter or switch. If you are using a soundbar or home theater system, this step is about checking the HDMI ARC connection. Make sure the audio device is connected to the HDMI ARC port on the TV. Unplug the cable from the ARC port and plug it back in firmly so the connection is solid. Now let's try restarting the TV system, which can fix software-related HDMI issues. Restart the TV from the System or Power Settings menu. If restarting does not fix the issue, the last option is a factory reset from the Advanced System Settings. Keep in mind that a factory reset will remove all apps and save settings on the TV. If the problem still continues, there are a few additional resets you can try. Unplug the TV from power and leave it unplugged for 30 to 60 minutes. While the TV is unplugged, press and hold the power button once. After plugging the TV back in, you can also reset the network settings and reconnect to Wi-Fi. If your TV has HDMI ARC, try turning it off and then back on. Finally, let's do some quick checks to identify where the problem is coming from. Connect your HDMI device to another TV to confirm that the device is working. Connecting a different device to your TCL Roku TV. If none of the HDMI ports work with any device, the issue may be related to the TV hardware. That's it for this video on fixing HDMI not working on a TCL Roku TV. I hope these step-by-step checks and resets helped you get rid of the no signal or black screen issue and get your HDMI ports working again. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple and helpful TV troubleshooting videos. If you have any questions or one of these steps worked for you, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.